Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 6 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch needs to be paired with your phone via the GARMIN Connect application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the GARMIN Connect application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the home page. And now let's tap on More, scroll down and tap on GARMIN Devices. And here look for the Vivoactive 6 on the list of devices. And if you don't have the required permissions allowed, you probably will see this permission pop up about the permission, basically notification about the permission required for the notifications to work. And if you see it, tap on this notification. It will redirect you to the notification read and control on this phone. On each skin of Android, for example, on the standard Android, I believe it's called notifications and apps, or special app access, something like that. On different one is called notification and apps access and stuff like that. Basically, this can be called different on different versions of the phones or different manufacturer phones, but we need basically to enable or allow the notification access for the GARMIN Connect application. So it will direct you to the page. It might be called something else, but what we need to do is to find the list. As you can see, we have allowed and not allowed. We need to find the GARMIN Connect, tap on it, and here we have allow notification access, and we need to enable it by tapping on the switch. Tap on allow, and once you allow the notification access, you can go back. The GARMIN app will appear on the list of allowed, and then we can go back to the GARMIN application. We can select our Vivoactive 6 and then tap on the notification and alerts, and here we can tap on smart notifications. And we have status. You can turn it on or off. You have calls, texts, apps, so basically types of notification, or notifications rather. You can tap on each type and basically customize it. You have calls. We enter the calls and we can turn them on or off. So the notification for the calls, we can either turn them on or off. And if you turn them on, you can turn on or off the vibration, and you can also change the type of vibration. You have beats, waves, and stampede. Select the one you like. Then we have the text. So we can enable it or disable it, enable or disable the vibration, and change the type of the vibration. And next we have the apps. Again, we can turn it on or off and change the type of the vibration, maybe drum beat. Okay. And after we're done with the customizing the types of notifications, we have the privacy option, and here you can select press start or gesture. If you select press start, you will need to press the upper button, this one, to reveal the content of the notification, because the notification will pop up on the screen, but the content will be obscured. And to reveal it, you will need to press the start button or perform the wrist gesture if you select the gesture option. Okay. Then we have the timeout, so basically how long the notification stays on the screen after you receive it. And you have 30 seconds, 1 minute, and 3 minutes. Select the one you like. And finally you have signature. I'm not sure what it does, but I believe it just adds the signature to the notification, but I might be wrong. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings for your notifications, go to this page, to the main page of settings for your Vivoactive 6, and sync the devices together by tapping on this icon, which basically will apply the settings to your watch. And now we can try the notifications. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord, and hopefully it will appear also. It will appear on our phone and also on our watch. Okay, so let's see. We got the notification on our phone, and as you can see, we also got it on our watch. So it is working. If you miss the notification on your watch, you can always, I believe, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the list of glances, and here you can find the notification glance. Oh no, there's no notification glance. So let's close this for now. Maybe you need to swipe down. Yeah, you need to swipe down from the top of the screen to open the notification panel, and as you can see here we have our notification. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.